Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show how to install and use the Live Preview extension in Visual Studio Code. This extension allows you to preview your web projects directly with VS Code, making it super convenient to see the code changes in real time. It is perfect for HTML, CSS and JavaScript projects. Let's get started. At first, install Live Preview extension developed by Microsoft. Install this extension. Once Live Preview installed, open the code file you want to preview. Click on the Live Preview button in the top right corner of the editor. This button. Show Preview. This will open a live reloading browser preview inside Visual Studio Code. You will see your changes in real time as you make them. I'm going to change this. That's it. Now I am going to stop this live preview. Go to the bottom right corner of the editor and click on this and select stop server. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.